What's up, guys? Welcome to another video on card therapy. In today's session, we're going to be opening 3 more of the Fat Packs NBA hoops. I know I've been opening a lot of this product lately, but I've been trying to pull that Kobe Slam card. Actually, any of the Slam cards we're really trying to collect, but mainly that Kobe Slam card is what I've been after. So today it's just going to be a nice quick video, 3 packs. I'm going to hope for some luck here, and hopefully we'll be able to pull some Slam cards. I have already gotten the LaMelo rookie card. I've gotten 2 of the James Wiseman card. So let's jump right in and see if we can have some luck here. All right, got Rudy Gobert, Troy Brown Jr., Kevin Porter Jr., Rudy Gay, Luke Kennard, Jonathan Isaac, Kelly Oubre, Domantas Sabonis, Nicholas Batum, Josh Collins, Jason Tatum, Patrick Beverly, Chris Middleton, Chris Dunn. Can feel it, guys. This is a good pack. I'm feeling some heat coming. Andrew Wiggins, Kuzma. I love that card. I'm a Lakers fan, so always love my Lakers cards. Kyrie Irving, Juancho Hernan Gomez. Definitely butchered that one, probably. James Harden. Oh, man. Seth Curry. I can see we got something here. We got an explosion card. And it's going to be... Okay, Spencer Dinwiddie. Teal explosion. Not bad. Not a bad card. Put that over here. And then we got Lights, Camera, Action, Paul George. Frequent Flyers, Ben Simmons. Purple, Trey Jones. Now we're into our rookies. We got Tyler Bay, Theo Maledon, Cole Anthony, Josh Green, and 2 more, Killian Hayes, Aaron Naismith. All right, no Slam cards yet, but that's okay. We'll speed through the next 2 packs. I think I'm going to skip through all the common cards and get straight to the good stuff. All right. So we got Bradley Beal, Iguodala. Speed through up until... Got a Lakers card. Dwight Howard, Lakers. Of course, he's not there anymore, but another Spencer Dinwiddie, Joel Embiid. All right, we got a purple Lou Will. Purple Lou Williams. Come on, let's get a Slam card. Well, it's going to be a jersey swap card next, it looks like. Nice. Anthony Davis, Drew Holiday, jersey swap. Very cool card. I'll take that for sure. Oh, I think we may have gotten a Slam card here. Let's take a look and see what this is. Is it? There it is. We got a Kawhi Slam card. And I'm very happy about that. This is one of the ones I don't have. So far I've only got the Tim Duncan and the Jason Williams. So this will be a nice one to add to the collection here. And we got a vanity plate next. Paul George, vanity plates. Now we're into our rookies. We got Precious, Bolmaro, Tyrell Terry, RJ Hampton. Got a Hornets one here. Is this going to be Riller again, or will it be a LaMelo? No, neither of them. We got Nick Richards and Kenyon Martin Jr. Great pack. Love those cards. I definitely am super pumped about that Slam card. Now, if only we can get the Kobe one here in this pack. Down to our very last pack. And if not, I'm going to have to keep buying more of these. I got these packs off of eBay, unfortunately, not retail. But hopefully I'll be able to get another retail pull soon here. I did get some Don Russ retail recently, so we'll be uploading a video very soon with that. Let's start from here. All right, we got Brandon Ingram, Tice, Reggie Jackson, DiVincenzo, and it's going to be a Raptors card. Very nice. Kyle Lowry, Explosion Teal. Wow. This is a super nice card. And another jersey swap coming up here. Okay, so the Zion and Ja jersey swap. I do have this card already. I may do a giveaway soon with some of these cards. Maybe I'll take some of my duplicates and do a giveaway. So if you enjoy the videos, make sure to subscribe so you can see when I'm doing a giveaway coming up. Oh my God, we got another Slam card, guys, and I think I know who it is. Oh man, Steph Curry Slam card. Wow, we hit 2 Slam cards now out of these 2 packs. Very, very, very pumped. These will be very nice to add to the collection for sure. And we've got an Anunoby yellow explosion, or gold. I guess I don't know if it's the yellow or gold now. Oh, and this is numbered too, I believe. 5 out of 25, it looks like. Wow. Oh, man. We really got some nice hits out of this pack. 5 out of 25 numbered card. I'm going to need to get this one in a sleeve right away. I'll set this down for now. Put this in a sleeve. And probably have to put it in a top loader. Put that over here. I'm going to sleeve up these Slam cards too. Something about sleeving cards on video, it's really hard to get them in the sleeve through the camera. All right, let's pick up where we left off. Vernon Carey Jr., Zeke Najee. Oh man, another James Wiseman. This is our third James Wiseman now. So definitely gonna have to plan a giveaway with some of these. Got a Kira Lewis Jr., Precious, and another one of Bolmaro. Wow. Very, very excited about these pulls, guys. Let's get the James Wiseman in a sleeve, and we'll go through real quick some of our hits. All right, so here we got the Kyle Lowry Teal Explosion. We have, of course, the ones that we're after, the 2 slam cards. We got Steph and we got Kawhi. So now I've got 4 of these different slam card inserts. Definitely want to go after the Kobe one still, so we'll be trying to find some more of these packs. Then we got our numbered card over here, OG Anunoby, 5 out of 25. We got the James Wiseman, and jersey swap, 2 of them. We got Ja Morant with Zion, and we've got Drew Holiday with Anthony Davis. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you enjoy this content, please make sure to hit that notification bell and make sure you got to subscribe first before doing that. Like the video, comment below what your favorite card was. I am going to plan on doing a giveaway soon here, so make sure to comment, which cards or which one is your favorite that I should include in the giveaway. Otherwise, we'll catch you guys on the next card therapy session.